In this video I'm going to show you how to plate up the pan-fried halibut that is on our fine dining menu. I'm going to start the plate by putting a bed of the courgette and basil puree on. Just going to open up my kit and take a spoon. And we're just going to spread a nice load of this across the middle of the plate. It doesn't have to be neat because we're going to dress all the rest of the dish on top. I'm also going to take my charred bok choy, just lay it over like so, and then in our cold kit we've got some shiso and soy dressing, which is in the small bottle. We're going to put a few dots of that around. Just so it's underneath, so you get little pockets of that when you're eating the dish. We're also going to hide a little bit of our spiced popcorn beneath the fish. And take a halibut. And use the paper, we can lift this up and help us just slide it off. And put a little bit of our dressing on the corner of the halibut. And then in our cold kit we've got our pickled bok choy and our crispy shiso. What we need to do is just open up this packet and we'll take a leaf and just curl it around, lay it over the fish, take a few more bits of popcorn. And then our crispy shiso leaves. And there we've got our pan-fried halibut with shiso, spiced popcorn, and courgette and basil puree.